Welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today we have this ballast that's no longer good. But I've never known what's inside a ballast. So today we're going to find out what's inside this ballast. I've always just like thrown them away or took them to a recycling company. So I'm going to take it apart. We're going to learn together. If you don't know, I'm going to try to do this without stabbing my hand with the screwdriver, because we don't want to have anything going wrong, right? So is there a bunch of wires in there, or what's in there? I want to try to get a pliers to force it open. Right now is a good time to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It's interesting, you know, I'm getting subscribers. Still haven't made it yet to the monetization area yet, but I can't wait. I just can't wait. I have new videos coming up. Got some new ideas on stuff. I can't do a heck of a lot like I can when it's warmer out. It's just I don't have an area that I can sit down and do things. I mean, I got the garage here, but it's not exactly warm in the garage. So I'm taking it day by day. Like I said, I'm playing with metal here, and I don't want to cut the heck out of my hand. Which maybe I should put a glove on to help something in case I do accidentally slip with something. We're getting there. I never knew what was inside a ballast. But in a minute here, we're going to find out. Am I getting off the table here? Sometimes by ripping something apart, that's the way you learn. Oh yeah, that's how it is. Oh, okay. Because if something is broken, you know, so just look at it and see. If you're interested, like me. Well, it looks like a whole bunch of stuff. Looks like a transition stuff in there. I don't want to take a grinder and start grinding stuff. Okay, it's getting there. There we go. We're starting to get somewhere. You know what I need? I need something to clamp onto this. Hold it. Try to do this. All right. There looks like there's some copper wire in there. Look at that. Surprised the heck out of me. So, like I said, there's looks like some copper wire in there. Maybe some copper wire in there for scrapping. And I don't know what that is. Probably the ballast, the startup thing. So that's what a ballast inside looks like. The innards. So whenever you have a fluorescent light, like in a warehouse or something, that's what keeps it going. Where I work, I have to replace these once in a while, so it's not bad. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. So maybe I can try to take this thing out. Cut the wire there. Like that. Like that. And voila, hey, and there's like, what kind of, I can't remember what that name is, some type of board. So yeah, was that a magnet? No. Yeah, that's what inside a ballast looks like. So I'm going to take this thing off, see if I can get the copper wire off of that. Might be some there. Scrapping. I don't know, I'll have to look at that too. But, alright. I appreciate everybody watching. Again, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if somebody wants to leave a comment, like what am I supposed to do with this stuff, or for scrapping, or any ideas, please let me know. I appreciate it. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll have some more videos coming up real soon. Take care.